In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star a file in the Dropbox mobile app. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to mark an important file so it's easier to find later without moving or duplicating anything. Starring is a simple way to keep your key documents, photos, or folders front and center, especially when you're juggling a lot of content. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where your file lives. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you're using the one that contains the file you want to mark. A stable internet connection helps your changes sync across devices, but the action itself is fast and lightweight. Once you're in, look along the bottom of the screen and tap Files. This takes you to your file browser, where you can see your folders and items in a familiar list or grid. If you don't immediately see Files, you're likely on a different tab. The bottom navigation bar is your shortcut back. Take a moment to locate the specific file you want to highlight. You don't need to open the file, just find it in the list. Next, look for the three dots icon next to that file. It's the small menu button, shown as three dots, often called the Overflow or More Options menu. Tap those three dots. This opens a context menu with actions related to the selected item. You'll see several options, but the one we're after is Star. Now tap Star. Depending on your app version, it may appear as Star or Add Star, sometimes with a little star icon beside it. When you select it, the file is instantly marked as starred. You'll typically see a star indicator appear with the file, confirming that it worked. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same menu and remove the star the same way. And that's all there is to it. Starring doesn't move or rename your file, it simply flags it so you can access it faster later. It's especially handy for items you reference daily, like a project brief, a travel itinerary, or a frequently updated spreadsheet. If the option isn't visible, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, and remember that the wording can vary slightly between devices, but the process is the same. To recap briefly, open the Dropbox app, go to Files at the bottom, tap the three dots next to your file, and choose Star. With that, you've made your important content easier to find whenever you need it.